Now students, we will see some more examples related to laws of exponent. So with the help of this example, we have learned multiplying powers with the same base. Some more examples we discuss. Suppose you have minus 3 power 4 into minus 3 power 3. So minus 3 repeated 4 times, then minus 3 repeated 3 times. When you club this, what we are getting? Minus 3 power 7. Means what? 4 plus 3. So again note that the base is same and the sum of exponents is 4 and 3, that is 7. Suppose you have some variables a power 2 into a power 4. That time also we have to follow the same process. A repeated 2 times, a repeated 4 times. So what you can say? Now when you club this, you are getting a power 6. A power 6 means what? 2 plus 4. Similarly, suppose you have 4 power 2 into 4 power 2. When you do 4 repeated 2 times, this here 4 repeated 2 times. So what we are getting? 4 power 4 and here 3 power 5. So what general rules we have formed for this? One more example is given. Minus 11 power 2 into minus 11 power 6. So what we are getting? 6 plus 2, that is minus 11 power 8. So the general rule is what? From this we can generalize that for any non-zero integer a, where m and n are whole numbers, that whole numbers we have to consider as a power. So what we can write? A power m into a power n will give you a power m plus n. Means base is same, power is different and multiplication is there. That time we have to do the addition of the given power, or you can say exponents. Next we have dividing powers with the same base. You have one example, 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 4. So 3 repeated 7 times, 3 repeated 4 times. When you do the cancellation, what is remaining now? 3 power 3. So what we can say? 3 power 3 means 7 minus 4. The power is 7 minus 4. Same way, suppose you have 5 power 6 divided by 5 power 2. So 5 repeated 6 times, 5 repeated 2 times. 2 times 5 will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 repeated 4 times. So that is 5 power 4. So what you can write? 6 minus 2. 4, how will you get the 4? That is 6 minus 2. Means base is same, power is different. So you have to do the subtraction of the exponents. If you consider the variables, so a power 4 divided by a power 2. So a repeated 4 times, a repeated 2 times. 2 times will get cancelled. So what is left? Only 2 times. So what we can write? A power 4 minus 2. Same way this you can quickly give the answer. 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 3. What is the answer? 10 power 5. Here 7 power 9 divided by 7 power 6. So what is left? 7 power 9 minus 6, that is 3. Here a power 8 divided by a power 5. So a power 8 minus 5, that is a power 3. So this way you can write the answer. So what generalized formula we can form? A power m divided by a power n will give you a power m minus n. Division is there, so we have to do the subtraction of exponent. Taking powers of a power. Suppose you have one example, 2 power 3 to the power 2. This we have discussed already in the video. Suppose you have 7 power 2 whole power 10. So what you can write? Power of power, we have to do the multiplication of power. So 10 to the 20. 2 power 3 power 2, that is 2 power 3 into 2, 2 power 6. 3 power 2 whole power 4, that is 2 into 4, that is 3 power 8. Same way 2 into 10, 7 power 20. Here a power 2 whole power 3, that is a power 2 into 3 will give you a power 6. A power m whole power 3, that is a power m into 3 will give you a power 3m. So what general formula we can form? For any non-zero integer a, when m and n are whole numbers, so what we can write? A power m whole power n will give you a power mn. Next we have multiplying powers with the same exponents. Okay, suppose you have this example we did, 4 power 4 into 3 power 4. Okay, so 4 repeated 4 times and 3 repeated 4 times. Okay, so now we make a pair, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. So how many pairs you can make? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that 4 3s are 12. So how many times 12 repeated? 4 times. So 12 power 4. Same way 3 power 2 into a power 2. So what is 3 repeated 2 times? A repeated 2 times. Then make a pair 3a, 3a. So 2 times we get the same pair. So 3a whole power 2. Same way, a power 4 into b power 4. So a repeated 4 times, b repeated 4 times, make a pair a into b 4 times. So what we can write? ab power 4. So what general form we can make for any non-zero integer a power m into b power m. Power same, base different. So what we can write? In bracket ab whole power m. Okay. So this is all about laws of exponent. The last one is dividing powers with the same exponent. So 2 power 4, 3 power 4. So we can make a pair 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. How many times? 2 by 3 repeated 4 times. So what we can write? 2 by 3 whole power 4. Suppose you have a power 3, b power 3. So a repeated 3 times, b repeated 3 times. Make a pair a by b. So how many pair you can make? 3. So a by b whole power 3. So general formula is what? A power m divided by b power m is equal to a power m b divided by m. So what we can write? A by b whole power m. Okay. Then we have numbers with exponent 0. So suppose you have 3 power 5, 3 power 5. So 3 repeated 5 times, 3 repeated 5 times. So you do the cancellation, you are getting one answer. But when you use the laws of indices, laws of power, so 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 5 will give you 3 power 5 minus 5 is equal to 3 power 0. So 3 power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. 7 power 0 is equal to also 1. So this is the general rule that a power 0 is equal to 1. So this is all about your laws of indices. Thank you.